Okay, today I have 4 Xbox 360 controllers that I'm going to test and see what's wrong with them and hopefully fix them. And they're very disgusting, so I've got my gloves on today. Okay, we're going to try this one first. We have power. We are connected. Okay, well, I think everything on this one works. Well, this one, look how disgusting this is. Just absolutely filthy. Okay, we're 1 for 1. This one works. So I'm going to clean this one off. This one actually doesn't have a back, so I'm going to use one of my personal controllers. I also have a bunch of extra backs that I can pop in here too. Oh, we have power. Okay, so this one has a stuck power button. It's hard to see, but the power button is stuck. I can't do anything. I can't even get it to sync or anything. There's like a bunch of crap in there. So this one I'm going to have to take apart and clean just to see if it'll even work. So, which honestly, it's not in that bad a shape. It just looks like somebody spilled crud on it or something. Now we're on to a gray controller that I've never seen. Here we got power. This one's also gonna need a cleaning. Okay, the only one that I'm even seeing problems with is the A button. The A button works, but it's like it's misaligned or something. It's not very clicky. Maybe the sponge is bent. So all we have with this one is just an A button that I need to inspect further, but everything else works. So the power button feels misaligned or dirty. It might just be super dirty because it's also hard to push in. So okay, so that one needs cleaned and the A button inspected. You can see there, thumbstick is just completely destroyed, broken. But the controller could still work. It's also incredibly disgusting. How? Why? We do have power though. Okay, well, thumbstick works. There's a plastic piece in there that's jammed that is hindering my movement of it. Okay, everything works on this one too, so this is also just another case of it needs cleaned. So, of the 4 controllers, 3 work for sure. I gotta clean 1 A button. I need to get a new thumbstick, and then the other controller I have to clean because its power button is stuck, so I can't even turn it on yet. So I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to take apart the one that's stuck, and I need to clean it. Honestly, you know what I'll do? As I'll clean all 3 of these, I will fix the A button on the gray one, and then at the very end we'll test that 4th controller after I clean it and see if it works. So for now, I gotta get these cleaned because they're disgusting. I found one more controller I'm gonna try. This might not even make the video. We have power. Disconnected. Okay, on this 5th one. On this 5th one, everything works. The thumbsticks aren't great, but the X button. Same problem is on the gray one. So I got 5. I have 5 controllers. I found this other one. So we got all 5 controllers cleaned and put back together. So I'm just going to test them one more time and make sure they work. This is the silver one. It had the bad A button, but it was actually the button pad underneath was broken. So I had an extra one, swapped it out. We're just going to test everything, make sure it all works. Okay, silver one works. I think this was the really disgusting one that I wasn't able to even turn on. So it turns on. Okay, this white one works. Okay, so this one. Okay, we got the last one here. See if I can get it to work. Oh, frickin' A, I died. Okay, well that works. So, of the 5 controllers, we were able to clean and fix all 5 of them. But that's it, I'm happy. 5 for 5, baby.